Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Well, I got another little mail call unboxing thing. Well, it's not a mail call, it's an unboxing. Something I ordered for myself here. And I already popped it open here to realize, oh, okay, I need to do this. So, alright, so lately I've been working so hard and stuff. I've been getting a lot of muscle cramps and stuff. And my wife has some stuff that she usually brings up here, and she thought she left it up here this last time. She didn't. So I went and ordered some Blue Emu. This is not the stuff that she uses. This is the second rate stuff according to her. The other stuff, I actually ordered some of it as well, but it's not going to be coming for a week. It's the really expensive blue stuff. But this stuff here is what I got, and I'll be trying this out, and I'll be doing a follow-up product review on it to tell you how it works on my muscle cramps and sore muscles and stuff. So I will try to remember to put the link to this off Amazon where I got it down below in the description. If I forget, just comment in there saying, hey, where's the link? And I will hop back on and I will put the link in, all right? Okay, so you should be ready with all sorts of liniments and stuff, because when the time comes and you're out there just busting your butt and working harder than you're used to, you're going to have sore muscles. And if you're working really hard and you forget to hydrate, you may get muscle cramps as well. So you want to have some liniments around to take care of that. All right. So before I take off, I want to put some links up above here. So I'm going to put a link up on top here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. I'm going to put the link up here to the Prepping in Private and Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private playlists here. So you can share those out with your friends, relatives, co-workers, whoever is thinking about getting prepared, or if they've ever mentioned, oh, I'm going to come to your house if there's a disaster. You want to share these with those people. Say, hey, here, get your own stuff. All right? And one other thing too, just to remind you, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicines, clothing, and skills. Always try to add another skill a month to your skill toolbox. All right? Take care, and I'll see you around.